So last year, my sister Monica and I both went on trips where one of us would get on a plane with no idea where we were going. And when I used the Samsung Galaxy S20 in my video last week, it occurred to me how great this phone would be to make a travel video on. So this week, we're gonna take Monica on a road trip where she has no idea where we're going, all shot on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra.
Now take your blindfold off and guess where we are.
It was kind of difficult to decide on a place to take Monica, but I've got one. I've been trying to throw her off track and make her think we're going somewhere she's already been, but where we're actually gonna go she's never been to. We're going to Big Sur. So this is about a 6-hour drive from LA, and I want to try and throw her off along the way. We're gonna charge the car somewhere that's just middle of nowhere. I'll have her get out and try and guess where we are and where we're going. And finally, we'll make the home stretch to Big Sur. I told her to manage her expectations with the hotel we're staying in. I tried to make it sound like it wasn't that cool, but little does she know, this hotel looks amazing. So hopefully she's shocked by that.
Okay, Monica's here.
Hey.
She's ready to go.
I can't reach the door. I really have no idea where we're going on this road trip. Shelby has told me nothing, not how long it's gonna be. She didn't tell me how to pack at all.
Nothing.
Honestly have no clue.
So first we're just gonna drive around a little bit so that you don't have any orientation when we get on the freeway.
Oh my gosh, because I totally, since I used to live here, I totally would know like what direction.
Yeah.
Turn. Oh my god, I already hate this.
Okay,
Wouldn't
we'll
recommend.
have you just like look up for a while.
Alright. We have the coolest view, but you can't look at it. What?
So when we got to the first stop to charge the car, we were in a super generic city, and I know Monica would have no idea where we actually were, so I let her take the blindfold off and take a guess.
Now take your blindfold off and guess where we are.
I'm getting like Temecula vibes. I honestly have no idea. Like it feels like east of Los Angeles, kind of near like Temecula or something. So we're going towards Nevada or Arizona-ish. So I'm excited and fine with anywhere that we go. But where I really want to go is I want to go to Big Sur. And I want to stay at what?
I'm just laughing because you said it like 3 times today now.
I want to go to Big Sur and I want to stay at La Ventana Hotel. It looks beautiful.
That is the exact hotel I booked. I swear we didn't talk about this before the video, so twin telepathy at work? You tell me. I wanted her to be shocked by the hotel, so I started throwing her off and telling her the hotel isn't that cool and stuff like that, but we're staying at the one that she actually was like dying to stay at. So I kept driving us another couple hours, and eventually we got to this area that just looked like the middle of nowhere, and I thought it would be funny to have Monica take off the blindfold and guess.
What?
Okay, now put it.
So one of the charging points was at this super random but very extravagantly themed hotel. So I told Monica that we were here and to take off the blindfold.
What is it? Madonna in... What is it? What is this?
Okay, so she didn't totally buy it, but then we made the final stretch. We didn't make it quite to Big Sur before the sun went down, but I didn't want her to guess in the dark, so I brought her outside about an hour before we got there to guess where we were.
So you're gonna look to the right. Okay.
Go ahead.
Just take it off. Where are we? Well, it's okay. It's almost to Big Sur. It's almost. But
Hey, I'm happy we're here. This has been like on my list, like I wanted to go here. It's an elephant seal. Wow. So pretty. You guys, Shelby went in the car because she's cold, but she's missing out. There's a bunch of elephant seals. What the heck? I was not expecting that. She's jamming out. Okay, open this thing. Oh my gosh, look at that guy. Yup. And then check it out. If we walk down this path, there's a ton of them. Yes, you can start to. I was like afraid.
Oh, way over there.
Yeah, you see that? There's a bunch. Yeah, there's a lighthouse.
So I still had one more trick up my sleeve. The last charging station was at this really cool hotel Monica wanted to stay at. So I told Monica we had to go there to charge and then keep driving, but really, we were staying there.
We're at the last supercharger spot, and it's at the hotel that you wanted to stay at. I really wanted to stay here. And we are.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Nuh-uh. No way.
Yeah. This is the one
You really got me. You really got me.
So we're about to go explore. We're kind of on a mission to go buy swimsuits because we both forgot some and found the really cool hot tub.
So insane.
This is a dream come true. Everything I'd ever want. But I forgot to bring a swimsuit.
We both did. I got the bottoms. Like, I even thought about it and forgot the tops.
But we're gonna do a little contest to see who can shoot better B-roll on these phones. So I'm gonna use the one we're shooting on right now, and you can use this one. And you guys can vote who did a better job. I kind of feel like you're better at getting B-roll a lot of the time. But we'll see, we'll see. There it is. Is it as cool as the photos?
Yeah, it's really cool.
Okay, we found some swimsuits finally. It's been a mission.
Comment below, red or yellow, which would you wear?
So then we went on a little hike as our first location to go get some cool footage around Big Sur. So I bought this little phone tripod. It was only $15 and I was able to get really cool shots because I could extend it and I could get shots from above. This is something that I couldn't do with a regular camera because it's just too heavy, but with a phone it's super easy to do. So there was a few features on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra that I found were really great for travel videos. The first is slow-mo mode. I like to get something in the foreground like a branch or some grass, and then I'll push in a little bit to get a nice slow motion landscape shot. I also love using the wide lens for travel shots, so you can see this is a really great establishing shot that uses the wide lens. And I also used space zoom quite a bit in Big Sur. I was able to get an awesome shot of this seagull using space zoom without it flying away because I was still actually pretty far away from it.
Hi guys, I thought today it would be fun to switch things up and give Shelby a surprise. So she's blindfolded and I planned somewhere that we are Shelby thinks I'm in the bathroom, but I'm actually getting us some snacks to have a picnic.
We're here. I have Shelby. Where are we?
Getting her to...
This has been a real struggle to get to this point.
Alright, take it off.
Okay. Bug-eyed girl. Yes! Oh my god, I was so hoping it wasn't a hike. Okay, so this beach, it's very, very, very bright. But the nice thing about it is that there's no wind over here at all. And turns out when Monica was going to the bathroom, look what she got. I'm just kidding.
Then, of course, we both got a little more footage so that we'd have a bit more variety than just the hike later when we were editing. And now let's take a look at who got the better footage.
I'm back in LA for the outro. Can't you tell there's a bunch of traffic down there? So I really wanted to do this travel video shot on a Samsung Galaxy because travel videos were the #1 kind of video people said they would start making if they won a camera. Well, guess what? You don't need a camera. I just made one on a phone. I really just wanted to further prove the point I made in my last video that you don't need an expensive camera to get started. You can start shooting videos on your phone. And really, there is something so freeing about shooting videos on your phone. You have the flexibility to bring it anywhere. You're able to get those casual moments and those real moments where people aren't posing for a DSLR that make a video feel so much more genuine. Oh, and yes, we did end up going in the hot tub. Can confirm it was amazing. Again, I'll have the info on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra linked down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next video.